Okay, welcome back. So sa video na to, solve natin tong lab na blind OS command injection with out-of-band interaction. So basahin natin. This lab contains a blind OS command injection vulnerability in the feedback function. No? So katulad lang no mga previous labs natin. The application executes a shell command containing the user supply details. The command is executed asynchronously and has no effect on the application's response. It is not possible to redirect the output into a location that you can access. However, you can trigger out-of-band interactions with an external domain. To solve the lab, exploit the blind OS command injection vulnerability to issue a DNS lookup to burp collaborator. So, itong specific na lab na to, nangangailangan talaga ng burp pro, no? Kasi kailangan natin ng burp collaborator. Kasi hindi daw gagana yung mga external na systems. So, kailangan talagang burp collaborator. So, try natin. Access natin yung lab. Okay, so punta tayo dun sa submit feedback functionality. And alam na natin, again, na email yung variable na vulnerable. So, lagyan na natin JLearn at jlearn.com, subject JLearn and message JLearn, and submit feedback. So, hanapin natin sa burp kung anong itsura ng request. And as we expect, parehas pa rin yung itsura ng request, no? So, here sa repeater, we can again try yung email. So, lagyan natin ng semicolon. So, ngayon, wala nang lumalabas na output, no? Kung vulnerable ba siya or hindi, or suspicious na strings. Hindi rin nagbabago yung response. Pero as we know, from the previous labs, ito yung vulnerable na functionality. So, paano tayo makakapag-issue ng isang DNS request? Isang way is to use NSLookup, no? So, if we say NSLookup, and then yung domain, so kuha lang tayo ng isang domain dito sa collaborator, copy to clipboard, and let's just paste it here, and another semicolon, and let's just URL encode itong buong string, no? So, if we hit send, as you can see, wala rin naman lumabas na kahit anong output, di ba? Pero looking at burp collaborator, let's try and poll. Ayan, nakapag-issue ng DNS request doon sa ating domain na H6OI, no? So, let's see kung H6OI ba to. And tama, no? So, H6OIE something. So, if we visit the lab again, there you go. Na-solve na natin yung lab. So again, this is just another variety nung command injection natin, no? So kung hindi tayo makapag-redirect ng output, pwede natin magamit yung burp collaborator to issue a DNS request to prove na meron tayong some sort of command injection. Okay? So I hope na-guess nyo tong lab na to and see you in the next video.